Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mike. I'm a fashion portrait photographer based in Katowice, Poland. And today I will be showing you how to create colorful portrait photography utilizing RGB lights. The RGB lights are from Nanlite. I just recently bought them. It has been very interesting experience and yeah, very fun actually. So I just wanted to share with you how to create this kind of portrait photography. I will be showing you on the screen right now. And also how to project this type of shape of lights that actually are behind my back right now. And I think that's pretty much it. And without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay, for this photoshoot I will be using the PavoTubes from Nanlite, the 30C and the 15C, a mini Bowens attachment projector and a Forza 60C fixture from Nanlite. Also, I will be using the camera SONY a7R5 in combination with a SONY 50mm f1.2 lens. The spot we used was pretty unique. There was a nice view of the city of Katowice and we wanted to use this as a part of the background in the photoshoot. The main part of the photoshoot was planned to be at night, but I also wanted to start a little bit earlier to catch the last traces of light during the golden hour. By the way, this is Angelica. She will be my model for today. She's very talented. With her everything is way easier. Her moves and everything, her expressions are very natural and I really like to work with her. So in this part of the photoshoot I just decided to go simple. I added two PavoTubes, the 130C to illuminate the bigger part of the scene and the 15C PavoTube to fill up the shadows. Also, I decided to use the red color. I thought it was gonna be a nice complement for the last traces of golden hour. Using an f1.2 lens allows me to shoot in very low light conditions without raising the ISO too much. And it also helps me to create a nice separation between the background and the subject, along with a beautiful bokeh.
Nice. Just wait a minute.
Alright, so since the night already arrived, I decided to go for the Nanlite attachment projector along with the Forza 60C. One thing I really like about Nanlite is that I can use their mobile application to control all my setup, from the PavoTubes to the spotlights. The attachment projector allows me to project shape of lights over my subjects and create more interesting portraits. From the beginning, I noticed that there was a yellow light source behind Angelica, so I decided to light everything with cyan to complement the yellow light, and it turned out in a very good combination. And for the final scene, I wanted to use gobos into the attachment projector to project more interesting light patterns on the model. For this, I used the Forza 60C, which makes it easier for me to project light in any color real quick. Happy with the results, and I'm definitely planning to incorporate more color into my future projects. I find that using continuous light simplifies the process, allowing me to quickly visualize the color composition of a scene in real time. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I will be happy to answer. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.